Hey guys, what's up? It's Isabelle back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an easy get ready with me. And so I already did my eyebrows, as you can see, so I kind of look a little funny, but that's okay. So I'm going to start on my eyes. I put the Tarte concealer already on my eyelids, but I'm going to be doing something pretty basic on my eyes today. I'm just going to be using my butter bronzer with a fluffy brush and just putting it everywhere. I also have a mirror right here, so that's why I'm looking over here. And then I'm going to be using my Milk Highlight. This is the mini size. It's the holographic stick. I'm going to put it on my finger and then put it right there under my brow bone on each side and then in the corners. And since it is a stick one, it might come off, so I'm gonna put on some of my glow kit, the sugar one, and I'm going to be using the shade Gumdrop. I'm just going for a glowy look today with not that much makeup. My eyes are all done. That's all I'm gonna do to my eyes. Then I'm going to do mascara. And I curl my eyelashes for a long time because my eyelashes go straight down, which I don't like. And I know it's not good to curl your eyelashes a lot, but I do it anyways. And then I'm going to be using the Lash Paradise. Okay, so I'm done with my first eye. I'm gonna do my next eye. Okay, so I'm done with mascara. I don't like doing the bottom lashes. I just don't like how the way it looks on me. So now I'm going to be using concealer, which is a Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light, underneath my eyes. With my beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it in. And then whatever left over I have on the beauty blender, I put on my face. And then I'm gonna put a little bit more on my problem areas. Okay, and next I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier, the Glow Powder. Only a little bit though, because it is very covering. I'm going to be using my beauty blender and a brush for this part. Then I'm going to be using a brush. Okay, next I'm going to be doing bronzer, which is with the butter bronzer I put on my eyes. I basically put it everywhere on my face, and then I will be putting some blush on, and this is Milani in the shade Tea Rose. Their blushes are so pretty. I'm just gonna put it in there, my cheeks. My nose. Okay, and then I'm going to be putting highlight on. The same glow kit I used for my eyes. I'm gonna be mixing the shades Gumdrop and Starburst. Putting them right there. My nose. And then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes one more time. And then last but not least, I'm going to use some setting spray, which is the Mara Badescu Rose Water. It works very nicely. All over my face. Okay, and that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want me to do any specific videos, just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.